guys, I'm going to get on here and show you some empties, things that I've gone through that I've had either in my pantry or in the bathroom or wherever through the house, of some empties that we have used through this stay home, be safe, wear your mask. And so I want to show you this. The first thing I want to show you is called Homemade Simple. It's a foaming rosemary scent foaming hand soap refill. I got this through Walmart. I had the delivery, which was great, and it delivered to our home. And it's clear, but it says here that it was seen on Oprah Winfrey's network, but it doesn't have a really scent on it. It says rosemary, but I don't smell that, so it's not real strong, but it works. So I love foaming soaps. I have the foaming dispensaries, and I think I've showed you in a previous video, I'm not sure, but anyway, I like this. And but I really don't smell the rosemary like I thought it would be. Just very faint, very faint. So I think you would like it like we do. The next thing I wanted to show you, this is, you know, I love crab cakes, and there's a Maryland style crab cake that you can buy at Costco, and this is handmade with jumbo lump crab meat. They are delicious. The trick of it is, be sure to go by the directions. You bake them, and then you turn them, I can't remember, you bake them at 450, and you place them, I put them on a parchment paper, and then I turn them, like, it'll tell you, like halfway through, and then, but they bake up perfect. They're just like if you had homemade them. I have made these before homemade, and I can't tell, my family, my husband cannot tell any difference from the way I make them and these. They're absolutely delicious. I suggest them highly. But Phillips Seafood Restaurants, I understand this restaurant, it opened in 1956, so this is their recipe, and I do it just like this. I just do it with a salad. And sometimes I do it with a ramenade sauce, or I just do you know, if you don't even have to have a sauce or anything, but I think you like them. Next, these are, and I love these are the parchment papers. They're cookie baking sheets. They are great. They come in, like, there's 22 sheets, and I can do them in half. Sometimes if I do something like yesterday, I did some tater tots, and I just did half of them on a baking sheet. But it says for cookies, but it's for anything. It's good parchment paper. I like it. It lasts us a while, and I'm almost out, so I can't remember if I got these at Publix or ordered them online. I can't remember. But anyway, I'll look that up. Next, these are the extra crispy Alpharetta potatoes. You do not have to put extra salt on them. They're already seasoned, and they are delicious. The key of this is you preheat the oven at 450. It says to put them on there 9 to 12 minutes, but at 9-10 minutes I would check. We have a convection oven, which I love, by the way. If you don't have a convection, next time you get an oven, you'd love a convection oven. It could do it either way. I could do a regular oven or a convection. But if you preheat them, and I did at 9-10 minutes, and I cut it off and let them stay in another minute, but they're just perfect. Love them. Next thing is, we love P.F. Chang's, and I saw these, and I thought, oh, when I order my food from Publix, I said, I need to try these. These are chicken egg rolls. They are delicious. Just go by the directions. You know, I'm watching my volume. So far, I have lost 33 pounds, and I'm still working on this program. And you know what? It's not been really hard on me. Instead of eating 2 or 3, I might just eat 1. So you know, it's all in moderation. And I'm keeping my weight off. So this was just a treat for me. Let's see if it had any carbs. It's got a lot of carbs in it, but it works for me. Volume. I think that works more than any, you know, with anything. These are Trader Joe quiches. This one is the mixed mushroom and spinach. I'm telling you, they are really good. Now, I saved the little tin. It looks like they're really big, but they're only about that size, which look, let's see if I can put it here. Perfect size, perfect for anyone. If you want to do some fruit with it for breakfast, just bake it. You bake it, let's see, what is the temperature on this? It'll tell you on the package, but anyway, I don't see it. I know it's here. 375. And bake it in your oven, and I'm telling you, they are good. In fact, my husband says it's probably the best quiches that he has had. So, Trader Joe's, if you've not tried them, try them. Next, this, you know, I order from Publix, and I wanted some Swiss cheese, and I thought, oh, what am I going to do? So, they were out of the Publix brand, which is cheaper. But you know what? This is Kerrygold Swiss cheese, 100% natural cheese. It is delicious. You know, sometimes when you open up a package, the cheese gets a little hard. This didn't. Of course, I put it in a Ziploc too, but this is very, very good. I did a little cheese on my salad, but I just chop it up. Swiss cheese, 100% natural cheese. And there you go. Very cool. I liked it. I liked it. Okay, I have been ordering I remember when I had went through the cancer and had to go to the my doctor, and he kept saying, eat organic. And you know, organic's a lot more expensive, but you know, I got to thinking about that. Maybe he's on something there. So here, I got these whole strawberries, green wise, Publix. They are so good, so sweet, and they were really beautiful, beautiful strawberries. I let them thaw out in the refrigerator, and then I put them in a little cup. Then I put some little bit of the whipped cream, dairy-free. No, it wasn't dairy-free. I can't remember if I saved the bottle. No, I still had some in the, but anyway, some whipped topping on top. But it was such a treat. And if you've not had this brand, you're really gonna like them. It's right here, it says, let's see, it's 60 calories for 1 cup. And this has 2 servings in it. Good, good, good. All right, next. You've seen on TV, you've seen this Just Crack an Egg or Ida. This one is, it's a scrambled. This one's scrambled. This is a veggie. And this was a rustic scramble. They are good. You bake them in this, you put them in the microwave, and you put them like for 40, it'll tell you on the back. Each one's different. 40 seconds, then 40 seconds, and you know, everybody's microwave is a little different. So these were really good. I just put it on a plate, a little bit of fruit. If not fruit, I just eat it by itself, or you can eat it out of here. You will love it. Just crack an egg in it. It has the stuff in it that you will put in it, and then crack an egg and then stir it up. Put it in for how many seconds it says, and then you stop it for that second, stir it up again, and then put it back in for the time saying. So I like it. I love them. I love it. Love it. I've ordered more of those. Okay, I'm just going to show you one more thing here because we're getting down to our time's almost 10 minutes. This is the chicken and chipotle taquitos. I can't say it. This is Feel Good Foods. Chipotle tostados. Don't laugh at me. Anyway, I love them. I got it on the tip of my tongue. I know how to pronounce it, but I can't think. But anyway, I know y'all gonna let me know down the bottom. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just showing some things that we love, that we like, that we enjoy, and that may give you some ideas on things that you can have or you might want to try. So until tomorrow, don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back, and I love you. Don't forget it. I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? I pray you do. And have a blessed day. Until tomorrow.